What if I told you there's a place where aviation history isn't being locked up behind glass or a part of some corporate attraction? Today, we're visiting a privately owned non-profit airplane museum that's keeping some of the most incredible aircraft stories alive, from legendary warbirds to rare vintage airplanes you usually don't get to see up close. So whether you're an aviation enthusiast or just curious about history, trust me, you're gonna want to see this. So let's go check it out. Entrance by appointment. Oh, it is open. Nice. I don't know if I could see. What started out as a personal mission in collecting these beautiful birds, Tony Caldwell thought long and hard and decided that everyone should have an opportunity to see and learn about the Golden Age airplane like the Waco. It was time to honor them by sharing their legacy and the stories these planes could tell. The Caldwell Collection is dedicated to preserving the rich history of the antique aircraft and ground support vehicles and passing on his passion for aviation to the public and future generations. The Caldwell Collection Antique Aviation Museum is a private, non-profit aviation museum located at the El Reno Regional Airport in El Reno, Oklahoma. It is founded by Tony Caldwell and was opened in October of 2025. It features a collection of over 20 plus Golden Age aircraft, including rare Waco, Travel Air, and Stearman biplanes housed in a restored 1943 World War II hangar. The museum highlights aviation history from the 1920s and the 1930s, featuring active restoration projects and vintage planes that still fly today. With the help of donations, Caldwell is looking to acquire and restore historic planes and add new exhibits. The Caldwell Collection isn't just a museum. It's a public treasure of the pioneers who paved the way for future aviators. Pretty gnarly. I know.
Slap golf sticker on it, be good.
That's the only thing that's missing is a golf sticker. Okay, what is it? Okay. Well, looks like we've got a 1929 Lincoln PTW. Okay, all right. Huh. That's pretty cool. Okay. Wow, only 56 PTs were built. Huh. Reflecting the extraordinarily difficult economy before the company folded. Bummer. And only 5 remain today. Dang. Look at that old girl. Huh. That's cool. Oh, what? Oh, yeah. Oh, hello. Oh. Yeah, right. Just take that whole office, man. What are you talking about?
Right.
I said, can we go in there?
I don't know.
Ow.
I think you could probably have to be over there. But
Yeah. Well, because I thought, oh, look at this. What kind is this one? Don't they have any? Oh, it's private. Bummer! Guess you just have to look through the window. Oh, that's pretty neat. I wish they have a... Oh, cool. I like this one.
I like that little one right there, the blue.
Yeah, well, I just wish they had names on them. I don't... Oh, wait, this one has a name. Oh, okay. This is a 1929 Waco taper wing, huh?
They pronounce it Waco.
Oh, it was a Waco. Okay, not Wacko or
No.
Waco. Okay. Huh. Nice. Oh wow. Oh, okay. Huh. Oh, so this one did acrobatics. Oh, it was also a racing one too. Cool. I like. Very neat. Okay. Zipline. Cool. Like that one. Whoop. Look at that old bike. Oh, that's pretty cool. Look at this bike. 1941 Westfield model. Nice. That's cool. Huh. Very cool. Totally cool. Right up my alley. Oh, wow. Cool. Right. That's the old Shell oil. Oh, it's a Ford. It's got a 1930 Ford Model AA fuel truck. Kind of like, what? In the early 1930s, aviation pioneer Jimmy Doolittle left the active Army and went to work for Shell. I did some more research and found out that Colonel Jimmy Doolittle resigned his active commission and entered the reserves in the Air Reserve Corps as a major in February of 1930. A month later, he was named manager of the aviation department of Shell Oil Company. With encouragement from Doolittle, the Shell Company started producing 100-octane aviation fuel, which was used for the high-performance planes that were being developed in the 1930s. That's cool. Oh, they got stuff. Oh, wow. Yep. Will Rogers, Wiley Post died in an airplane crash in Alaska. That's crazy. If you aren't sure who Will Rogers and Wiley Post are, let me tell you about them. Will Rogers was a comedic actor of the stage, sound, and silent screen, and Wiley Post was a pilot who got his first plane after winning a settlement from an old oil field accident. Both men were from Oklahoma, and Wiley flew Will to a rodeo. They both discovered a common interest in flying. Wiley was planning a flying trip to explore Alaska and asked Will if he wanted to join him. They flew out in August of 1935. On August 15th, 1935, Wiley's plane crashed near Point Barrow, Alaska. Both men perished in the crash. Oh, the old jukebox. Dude. Oh, that must be Will and Wiley. Oh, I love it. Love the old refrigerator and the old clock. Oh, the little milkshake maker. Neat. Very cool. Oops, my bad. Oh wow, it's a 1929 fleet model. Oh, this one was restored as a faithful labor of love for over 30 years. Aww. Oh wow, okay. It was finished by West Coast Air Creations led by Nato Mendoza in Riverside, California. That's cool. Oh, see, open cockpit runner-up at, oh, well, they must have been at Oshkosh too. That one was restored out of Riverside, California. Yeah, it's being
want to touch it, but I know that's not right.
Yeah, I know, right? It's like touching a classic car.
Look,
I
look at the
know.
claw. I mean,
Is that what that is?
It's fabric.
Oh, wow. Looks like tape. Like old masking tape or something. Yep, there you go. Oh, this is another Ford Jeep? Kind of like the one at Tulsa Space and Air Museum. Oh, wow. 1942. Heck yeah. Very cool. I love the colors. Oh, there's the old fire truck. 1936 Porterfield. Oops. Ah! Nice. A skinny bird.
Needs a little tire pumping over here.
Yeah, just a little bit. Nice. That's cool looking. Did she go? Oh, a 1931 Ford Model A postal truck. They get the mail. Oh, got the U.S. mail, huh? I'm guessing these were for the soldiers, maybe? Or just in general? Oh, just in general?
It's just a boat. This is
Just a regular.
recruiting post here.
Oh. Oh no, I'm saying it was a. That's how they deliver the mail. Cool. Eh. Very cool. That's cool. Aviation, symbol of progress. Oh, cool. So really cool airplanes. Oh, 1942 Stearman PT-17. Nice. Right on. Purchasing owned by Rob Locke. Maybe they're really cool. In the late 30s, the Army held a design competition. Whoopsie, that didn't sound good. Eventually, over 10,000 of these rugged, easily repaired, but demanding to fly biplanes were built. Wow, 10,000. That's a lot. Pretty cool. Didn't even see this. All the stuff for the oil. Got an oil can. It's Ford. These old tools. Here's red. I love this one. Beep. Beep. Oops, sorry about that. Didn't mean to get that close. That one is awesome. Thank you for joining me today at the Caldwell Collection Antique Aviation Museum. It's places like this that keep our flying history alive for future generations. If you plan on visiting, I highly encourage it. The stories these aircraft tell are truly incredible. Have you ever visited any airplane museums that have left an impression on you? Or is there a particular aircraft that you would love to see up close and personal? Please drop a comment below and let me know. I would love to hear from you. Hi, my name is Jennifer. Thank you for watching. Until next time, keep your eyes in the sky.